gotta start up here because you got this little catch. So you gotta start right here. And then slide back.
That would be a long time.
I know.
You think of a better way to do this?
Oh, there is a quick loader. There's a quick loader. You can just go zzz, and then But most of the time you have to do it this way. That's why you load up, 3 or 4 magazines at a time. So thereby you have everything you need in the moment.
It's safe.
Yeah.
Because I know even with Barbara, we use quick loader.
Yeah.
How many load in here?
Well, it tells you. Keep going. You won't be able to put it in.
I do this, I get through a while.
Well, you just have 4 magazines on you. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. You start your shift with all your stuff already loaded and ready to go.
We got some more.
That's it. on going to. It'll tell you when it's empty. It. There you go. Yep. Make sure your weapon, your chamber is empty. Okay, and then eject your magazine. There you go. That's it.
Oh, it's been a long time since I did that.
What?
Time since I did that.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. That's good. Your grouping is very, very tight. Very, very tight group. That's good.
That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Shot in 25 years.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, all
Hey,
right.
just think when I was younger, I was better than that.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure you were. Yeah.
And they used to gather around me because they ain't never seen a black man shoot like that.
Firing still at the low point. That's how I got those lower ones. Okay? Alright, okay, so let's have you give you a shot. Okay? You're gonna do the exact same thing that I just did.
You don't like the you don't like the sights?
Don't try so much to push those down. Push it down with it. Put your thumb up top, and put it there. Kind of use this thumb to kind of guide, and then just push it down.
All right, let's see the center line and we can switch targets.
Oh boy. You need to. This arm needs to be straight, and this hand needs to cock. There you go. More like that. So first, clear your weapon. Okay, weapon's clear. This has an ambidextrous station. You do it for both sides. Is it? No, it's not. Okay. So yeah, you gotta push in that button. Yep. And then there you go. And then put the weapon down with the barrel side facing up so you can see it. And that's it. Let's give my dad a shot. As you load up your ammo.
target is my target. It's been a while. I did pretty good for it.
One center, but as you notice, that kick is, I've got more power, but once again, if I ain't hit my target, it don't matter how much more power I have, okay? Yep, slide. One push, pull it. No, down. Different, right? Alright, let me let my dad shoot this one. We don't have a lot of ammunition for this one. Not up, down, okay? Pull in, hard, okay? Brace your feet. No, feet, hard. Brace yourself, okay?
Which one am I leaning on? Forward foot or back foot?
Huh? Neutral. Pointing at, okay, because it's not zero. What you're looking to do is keep your target picture always the exact same picture, so all your shots are in a small circle, okay? So pick your target picture and stick with that same picture every shot, and your grouping is what matters, not what you hit, but how tight your shot's in for that group, okay? You will not be able to see your target. This will block it out. So pick the same picture. Have at it. Keep your hand on here. This is not. This is not. This do not go beyond here. Yep, so feel comfortable. Yep, feel comfortable. Mm-hmm. How does that feel? Feel good? No. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Nope, that's as far as it goes. See? Now keep your finger out. Finger out. push this right here. Yep, push that up. Now you're live. Okay?
Now.
So, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can do 12 and 3. 12. I just said 10 and even the boxes. Three shots.
Check your rounds there. Okay, put it on safe. There you go. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Were you aiming here or there? Okay, good. Okay, up and down. Okay, okay. See, those three were good. Those three are in a tight group. But you came off there, and you came off there. Now these are over here because you were pulling too hard. You're a left-handed shooter, so it's gonna, for me, where it pulls to the right, for you, it's gonna pull to the left. So you're pulling a little bit too hard, okay? That's why these went over there, okay? Okay.
I'm sure they have Band-Aids.
Yeah. Okay. Let me get started. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get a Band-Aid. I'll be back. Yep. And then this is your magazine release. Don't hit it with this finger, hit it with your thumb. Your thumb should automatically release that. There you go. There you go. Remember. Straighten this arm all the way out. There we go. Right now, you did good. You did good.
Yeah, the whole cock, huh?
Yeah, you did good.
That's been more powerful.
Yeah. Get a good look at your target, because it's going to be far away. That's what you got. Okay? Okay. All right. Okay. Put your phone down. All right, so AR-15, okay? This here is your safety grip. Do not touch here forward. It's because it's hot, okay? Real hot, okay? Only here, okay? This is adjustable, okay? Adjustable, okay? So put it on your shoulder, okay? Aim, back sight, front sight, okay? Put the circle, put the dot inside the circle. Okay, all right. This is your magazine well. This is your magazine cover. The bullets are going to go that way. Okay, all right. You don't need to worry about this. This is your magazine release here. Okay, this is your safety switch. Safe, fire. Safe, fire. Okay. All right. Okay. That's it. All right. I'm going to close this up. goes left, right, left. Put it right here. There you go. There you go.
I gotta shoot all over.
Okay.
All right.
So, yep. There you go. Bingo. Bingo. Yep. Yep. And that.
I'm gonna do a kick.
Stand there, hold this.
All right.
Only here forward. Just that. Just that. Just that.
Oh no. Damn. That's below 10. 10.
Yeah, probably, yeah. What's that?
Gotta get the sweat out of my mouth.
Okay.
Damn.
I think that's it. Yep, you were done.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. I thought the magazine. Put it on safe. There you go. You alright?
Don't do that again, time soon.
That was a lot of bullets. That's a whole lot of bullets.
You want to go good?
You got it. You got it.
No, come on.
It's your
Come on.
turn.
I've done this a million times. Come on. I have done this literally a million times. Yeah, a million times. So go ahead.
All right.
This one. This one.